So I wanted to do an update video on our $400 flip. We started out with a $400 flip. We ended up $450 because we ended up purchasing the drill press. The first one we did was the Boland's lawnmower. Now mind you, I only had $400 in the Boland's lawnmower, the power washer, and the log splitter. We got the Boland's mower fixed and running, got $100 out of it. We got the log splitter going and we got it running, but I figured I decided I wanted to set on it until closer to winter because it'd be worth more money. So we ended up going to the power washer. So we finished the power washer, but I ended up breaking the carburetor. It cost me about $18 for the carburetor, and we got it going, sold it for $125. And then like I said, I was going to set on that log splitter because it'd be worth more. So I threw it on Facebook for $950 or trade for a utility trailer. I was looking for something, maybe someone out there had an older trailer, they'd swap me and I could fix it up and have me a little bigger utility trailer. Well, that didn't happen. Nobody said anything about the utility trailer, but a guy did offer me $900 and I took the $900. So out of them three pieces of equipment, we had $400 in them, and I ended up getting $1,125 out of them. So we can say right around that $1,100 mark because we had to buy the carburetor. So that wasn't bad. And then we added on the drill press. Now the drill press, all we had to do is spray it down. And I like using that WD-40. You guys know I like using the WD-40 for cleaning, and because it does lubricate and it does clean, and it's not a harsh chemical that I have to worry about on this, any kind of rubber, hurting any kind of rubber or anything. So we got this thing done, and I got 3 guys right now that want it. We're going to go in order. The first one that asked for it, and we'll see if they want it when it's done. And whoever takes it, takes it. I think I could snap my fingers and this thing would be gone in a minute for $100. And that's what we're going to end up getting out of it. So we're going to end up with about $1,200 out of a $400 flip, which I think is pretty good. So if you guys enjoy me doing these kind of flips, I enjoy doing them because I get to show people how to fix things. And I make extra videos out of them. And I help people, plus it's fun. I make a couple dollars off the flip. So if you like me doing them kind of videos, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about what I did so far on this flip and whether I should be doing some more on video. We actually got another one here. We're going to be doing a video on a mini bike. Did a little bit of swapping and got it, and we'll have that on video coming up here real shortly. And you can see what we're going to do to this mini bike. I think you guys are going to like it. So, yeah, I would like to tell everyone thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.